Once a week, every Sunday, I'll be sending out a challenge to my email list and Patrons to test you and your knowledge. These tasks should take no more than an hour of your time and is a good way to practice without just copying and pasting. If you want to join these challenges, sign up for my email listing, which is free, or join my Patreon. Link is down below. Welcome everyone to this solution. In this solution, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to have a simple platformer with an options button here. So you can see, welcome player, I have a quest for you. Will you accept this quest for me? And then we can say yes or no. So we can say yes. It says, great, let's get started. Or if I do it again, click no, and it says, oh no, that sucks. So we have two different options. Just an FYI, this isn't the best solution to this. This is kind of a roughed up solution to this specific challenge. And this challenge, again, is just meant to be practice, right? So it's meant to kind of challenge you guys to practice and do this. So, okay, there's a few aspects to this that we'll tackle. So the first aspect to it is, how do we display text all at once, right? Or one by one, right? Well, a really easy solution to this is the visible ratio inside our label. Now here, if I go from 0 to 1, you can see that it kind of appears, which is how I do that effect. So here, I've created this function that helps me essentially type the text. So here, I reset the visible label every time. I set the text equal to the text inside this function, and then I'm going to create a tween, and then I'm just going to tween the visible ratio from, well, 0 to 1, right? And I'm going to do this over a period of 1 second. Now you can adjust this to 2 seconds or 3 seconds or whatever. One thing I used to do was I used to say text.size and then divide it by something or whatever. But for now, I'll just do 1. And then this is not the best solution to this, by the way, but this is just to find out if I'm actually offering a quest inside of the text. So I'm just going to say if the word quest is inside of the text, then I'm going to tween callback the options. So the options, show options, will just show the options, right? So here in my main menu, I have 2 options as 2 nodes, just 2 buttons, and that's it. Now inside of the cutscene, I also have those 2 buttons connected that will allow me to type 2 different things, right? So now I can just retype, okay, great, let's get started, or, oh no, that sucks. And then of course you can add extra stuff. So we can say accept the quest below, and then you can make a variable true to make the quest be accepted or whatever you'd like, right? Now the other thing that we have, of course, is the area 2D. This is quite simple. I've just connected this guy over here where I get the cutscene, and then I .type, and then I put in the text that I want. Now a quick tip is new line. Not everybody knows about this, but you can go to a new line by just saying /new, and it does have to be this one where it's pointing to the left, not this one, okay? And the advantage of this, if I take this out, you'll see, now if I go in, it'll put it all, whoops, doesn't do that properly. Oh no, it does go to a new line if I just press enter, yeah, never mind. So new line does go to the new line though, so now you can see the difference, jumps another line. So that's kind of a quick tip for people who don't know about this. But generally speaking, you can just do this and it does the same thing. So, okay, that is pretty much it for this week's solution. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope this helped. I will see you all for next week's solution.